Okay, so we got a bit of snow here the other day, and the road grader went through, bladed the roads going down. But whenever he blades the roads, he has his blade about 1.5 feet up the ground, so it leaves a decent amount of snow left on the road, and then makes it really hard to get through. And then also on top of that, the snow's wanting to blow back across the road and drift up, and I'm not going to be able to get into town tomorrow, so this evening I'm going to try to get ahead of the game and get the old backhoe here and take it down and see what I can get everything bladed off and cleaned off halfway decent. I'm probably not going to have any audio inside the cab due to noise, so I'll find you a nice warm place inside the cab and we'll get started. I just got back home just in time because it's starting to get dark and I don't have any lights on this old machine. This old backhoe did really good, and it'd be way nicer, obviously, if I had a blade on front instead of a bucket, but it's all I had, so it's just what I had to use. I didn't really open the roads up a whole lot, but I just wanted to make sure I knocked snow down, so now it's just about a couple inches deep instead of like 8 inches to a foot. So now it should make it easier getting in and out. And the snow should be melting off in within the next couple days. This Monday is like 65 degrees. But I am hoping to be hauling in a big load of scrap metal on Monday. And I want to make sure the road is good and passable when I'm pulling that big load of junk iron. And I just don't want to mess with it. So it's nice to have the road cleaned off a little bit more. And then anyone around here who has a car can get in and out easier. My little Mazda stands fairly high off the ground, but even it was wanting to drag bottom in places. So I'm glad I got this all cleaned off. Well, I guess this is going to be it. I wasn't really planning on making this video, but I did, so here it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, like what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.